Hello, this is Jordan Stevens and Salas. So here is our data that we're going to be using in JUMP. We have our response Y, and we have our three factors we're going to be putting in, and this is going to be the pattern that we'll do once we do it. So let's first start off and do our design of experiments. We're going to do a custom design. I'll get back to you once this is filled out. Now that we have our table filled out, we have one 2-factor categorical, one 3-factor categorical, one 4-factor categorical. I saw this as a good model to test all the categorical ways and how they react with the response. So I'll press continue, and from here we'll fill this out and get back to you. From making it a second level interactions, I've gotten my table of 24 runs, and here is my actual custom design. So I will be filling in all this information and taking it to this table. Now that I have all the data in from this table, usually we would experiment and get this data from the actual field, but this is just an example, so I had an example up with the response data. So now if I just run script, let's say we have our y variable is y, and let's say we have our everything looks good. We're looking at the interactions between it, and let's just say run. So from this, we have our data, and from this response, it seems like it actually looks really good. It has a 0.99 R-square, which is really, really good, almost too good to be true, honestly. We have all of our interactions. We can see that the interactions between x1 and x3, where it's -1, A, -1, B, -1C are in question. It looks like they're factors. The effects test, we can all see that x1 seems to be a really big factor, x1 in relation to x2, and x1 in relation to x3. So it seems like x1 is our factor that would change this the most to make it positive. Here's the full factorial analysis of every single relationship. And from this, it seems like these are our best responses. -1, x, and a would be our best response to get the maximum value possible. With that, that is it.